Hello, everyone. This is Judy from Greatblanks.com. Welcome to our new series, Great Blanks Kits and Courses. Our first course will be the Juneteenth Earring course. This video is to show you how to sublimate onto MDF earrings. For the complete tutorial, I have added a link below, or you can visit us at www.greatblanks.com where you can purchase the earring pack and get the full course and digital files for free. Today I will show you how to print and sublimate on these MDF earrings. The Juneteenth Earring Pack includes 7 pair of earrings with hardware, 10 sheets of 8.5 by 11 Great Blank sublimation paper, digital link to get your full tutorial with the exclusive files and video. You will need a sublimation printer, scissors, heat tape, and a heat press. Thank you so much for joining us today. And since you are here, your support is greatly appreciated. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post new content or video. Let's get started. These are the earrings that you'll be getting in the kit along with the hardware. These are the prints that will be already printed. You're only getting 2 sheets, which is going to be good for either you doing one side of each. I actually did each one based on the earring, so you'll see which ones I'm doing so you will know which one you want to put on there. And it's up to you. If you can make it work with another earring, it's up to you. But I have designed each one for a specific earring, so it might not fit the other earring. Like, for instance, the cross is for this one because I already designed it and already measured out. So Juneteenth will be right in the middle. So that's how it's going to be lined up. But first, I'm going to cut out each one of these. And I would recommend you cutting it out because you'll have more control over the placement and of it shifting while you pressing it. So let me do this real quick. Cut each one of these. So all these are done on Greatblanks sublimation paper. So I'm just going to pair them up together so they can actually be with its own pair. So we're going to start with this one being the cross. And again, if you want to do the other side of the earring, the files have been included for you to print out. So what I want to do is line it up to make sure the image is on there and it's not coming off. So I take the heat tape and just tape it down. I will be pressing these, but they might be pressed, some going to be pressed with each other, others going to be pressed by itself, because it depends on how thick I have it, where it's going to be able to stick in, you know, be able to go on the thing. So I'm going to slowly do all of these, but these will be fast forward, so you won't have to watch me place each and every one. To give you guys a tad bit cut in. I did it. I did it wherever that I just know it's gonna look cute pretty much when I print it. I wasn't really thinking about putting the whole image, so the image is gonna probably be cut off. One earring might be different from the other a little bit, so it's up to you. You could actually, if you know how to use silhouette, you can adjust it so you can get more of the image on the earring. I just pretty much didn't care about putting all fists and stuff. As long as I had one fist, that's all I care. But then I did want to make sure that the image overlapped. So it's weird. It's up to you. Like I said, use your creativity. All my images ready to go underneath the heat press. So let's move over to the heat press. Press it. Okay, so I am going to protect my press because some of my images bleed off and will be bleeding onto my heat press. So we're going to do a few. I'm not going to do all of them. I'll do a few. Because this is the Greatblanks paper, I don't need to protect it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put some, I'm going to show you that it don't bleed. My paper do not bleed, so you don't have to worry about dealing with butcher paper. So let's do it like this. So this should be enough for right now. I could probably put more down, but I'm going to go ahead and do it like that. I'm going to use this paper as a sample to show you guys that this paper do not bleed, so you don't need butcher paper. So this is the Greatblanks sublimation paper. We have it in 4 sizes. The link will be below, so you guys can be able to purchase it. So again, this is 60 seconds for over 400 degrees. Okay, so this is the end. We get the reveal. So it's hot, but I want you guys to see the actual fact that it did not bleed, and it's hot, so don't try to reveal and stuff at this end. Okay. Here is the ink release, so you guys can see. So it is hot. This would be the one that okay. Example on why you make sure all the plastic is taken off. I don't know if you guys can see, but it always do this to me. I always forget one. So it's not like messed up permanently. I can take it off, but it's just going to take a minute for me to take it off. You got to peel it off. So I'm glad, it's sort of glad it happened, so you guys can see what happens when you don't take the plastic off. So we're going to just put this to the side because it's going to take too much time. But you guys get to see why I say make sure the plastic is taken off, because I always do that to myself. So here, I want you guys to see the ink release. Most of this ink is gone. Most of the ink is gone. So this is the ink release on the paper. Okay, so this is the front. This be the back. Again, if you wanted to do the back, you can either use the paper that I'm sending to you and do both sides, or you can print it out yourself and do the other side. I just want to get you guys started. So here's the other one. This is really nice. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and knock these out real quick. Just take them off. You will see the end result of all the pictures. And this again is for you to protect this is why we protect our press. Because of the ink that's on the bleed that comes out. So I want to do the rest of them, so I'm just gonna throw them down. I'm put them where there's no ink at, because I don't want to mess up the white part, and it will get messed up if we put them on top of the ink. But I don't want to change my paper because I'm being very cheap right now. So here is the earrings all done. I want to show you guys how to add the hardware. You will need some pliers. You can get some needle nose pliers. I like these because they have a wider mouth. So I open it up. It just goes in a hole like this. And then you shut it with the pliers. Just need a little, you just gotta squeeze it together. Squeeze it together and you got your earring. All this will be in the kit, except you will need some pliers. But the hardware, the earrings, they all included with the kit. So, and the images. So I'm even going to print up you guys 2 sheets of the images. And see, I opened that one with my fingers. So it's not really hard to do. You put it on, and you can really squeeze it with your fingers too. But to get a good tight grasp on it, so it won't come loose. Again, I will be including 2 sheets of paper with the image already printed up for you. All you will have to do is press it onto the earrings, or you can just use your own image. It's just that I wanted to give you guys at least a starter point so you can actually do it with no issues. Do not forget to take the plastic off. I had trouble with a few of them because I had to take the plastic off after I pressed them. So just want to show you guys all the earrings and how beautiful they come out. The colors are amazing. And here they are with the... Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe to my video, to my YouTube channel. I need your support. So thank you and have a great day.